Whether you're an indie filmmaker or a full-blown production house, it's very important that you're getting release forms from the people that you have on camera. And that's what this video is about, because thanks to our sponsor, Signaturely, we have a free template to give you that you can use right now as your video release form. This video is brought to you by Signaturely, the best e-sign tool on the market. So let's look through this video form template and show you what to expect. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe down below and smash that like button to encourage this type of content. What is a video release form? Well, obtaining a signed video release form is one of the most overlooked steps in the video production process. In an attempt to make the best possible video for a project, you may inadvertently capture branding, people, private property, or minors, and then when you go and publish that work, they can come after you for not having their permission, or you'll have to blur their faces, which is super annoying, to blur the logo out every single time. You might even have to just bleep what the brand I just said. You know, I just said a brand that competes with a soda. I said a soda brand. But without their permission, we might not be able to use their brand name. And that is what a video release form is for. And this situation can have significant legal implications if you didn't take the time to get your consent for the individuals and the subjects on film. So, a video release form is a legally binding contract between a videographer and a subject where the subject transfers the ownership of the footage to the filmmaker. So when do you need a video consent form? Well, you only need to get consent from the subjects if you plan on using a video for commercial purposes. There are actually a lot of situations where you'll need to use a standard video release form, including capturing footage of people, private property, trademarks, artwork, landmarks, logos, and even pets. Show my dog without permission, bro, I'm coming after you. When don't you require a video release form? You don't need a video consent form if the subject or location is unidentifiable. For example, if you capture footage of random bushland that looks similar to other landscapes. You know how like in news footage, they'll be like, American obesity is out of control, and they'll show like the bodies of a bunch of obese people, but not their faces. That's totally cool. Can't be identified. And so you're okay to do that. Also, if you record a generic meal on a plate, it's almost impossible to tell who owns it or where you are. So as long as it's not identifiable, you don't need a release form. Otherwise, you might need a release form. So let's look at this template. What's this template look like? Well, we'll go over to the doc, and you can see it's fairly easy to download this, and it is free. So you just click download doc, put in your email address, and you're good to go, or download PDF. Put in your email address and you're good to go. So we put in our email and we're presented with the video release form, which is a one-page form that talks about exactly what you need. I blank here and authorize this person to use, edit, copy, exhibit, distribute, and use any video or videos of me for any lawful purposes. So here you go. You're the videographer, you're the company, you sign this form, and this will save you some legal bills. So go on over, click the link down below in the description and grab this video release form from Signaturely. And this also comes with access to Signaturely, which is a free e-sign tool. E-signing is basically the way you send contracts to people, right? How are you going to send this video release form to someone? Well, you use Signaturely and you get 3 signings per month for free. So if I wanted to send this form to Div using Signaturely, I could, and I would still get 2 more before I have to pay anything. Beautiful. Free contracts and free signings. Incredibly valuable tool over at Signaturely. Let me know down below, what methods are you using right now to ensure trust when signing new deals? Would love to talk about that down below. What are you using in terms of contracts? Because we have a ton of free contract templates. I would love to share more with you. What template should we share next? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about lead generation and join an awesome community of hustlers, then go on over to email10k.com. It also comes with live weekly calls with me and access to all of our courses. So you can get that at email10k.com. And if you want those free 3 signatures, then hit that link and sign up to Signaturely, because they're a longtime supporter of this channel and the tool is pretty great. And be sure to check out this video on if you want to actually make money with cold email, do this. Check that video out right now. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.